Hello, this is Dr. Gautam Banga. I am a reconstructive urologist and andrologist working at SCI International Hospital, South Delhi. Today I am going to talk about erectile dysfunction. If you go by definition, erectile dysfunction is inability to achieve an erection sufficient to have a sexual intercourse. And nowadays it's very much prevalent in all kind of populations. Initially we used to get patient in the age group of 40 to 70, but nowadays even it's more common in late 20s and early 30s also. The cause of erectile dysfunction range from trauma, diabetes, hypertension, poor lifestyle, excessive stress, and even pollution also contribute to this problem. So when the patient comes to us, we first take a proper history of the patient to know for how long he is having this kind of problem, whether this is an acute problem or he is having this problem for a long duration. We need to know the severity of the erectile dysfunction, whether it's mild, moderate, severe. We have different ways of actually categorizing erectile dysfunction. And we have a dedicated team which consult the patient before the consultation of what exactly they can expect during the consultation, the kind of question which we asked. All our team actually brief the patient initially, and then during the consultation we divide it into medical examination, a proper history, and then later on we discuss the treatment options with the patient as well as the partner. We provide all kind of options, like we start with the medical management in which we provide the oral medication therapy as a first line of treatment. Most of the patient are willing to take them for 1 or 2 months, and we assess the result after a period of at least 1 or 2 months, and we see how much effective these oral medications are. If the patient is happy with the oral medication, we normally continue the patient on the oral as and when required tablets. And if the patient doesn't respond to the oral medication, then we subject him for further tests like office papaverine test or office bimix test, and color Doppler, venous color Doppler or penile color Doppler. Once the patient shows sign of vasculogenic erectile dysfunction, then the next treatment which we offer them is injection therapy, intracavernosa injection, if they are willing to take it and if they have a good compliance. Around 40 to 50% of patients with vasculogenic impotence respond to intracavernosa injection, and they can lead a normal sexual life with these injections. The side effects are there, which are in the form of pain during injection and some amount of fibrosis at the site of injection. And if the patient is not willing for injection, the second option we can provide them is a vacuum pump, which they can use on their own, and it's easy to use. Patient can carry that along with them anywhere they are going. And it's safe. It has no interaction with any medication. It doesn't interfere with the cardiac status of the patient. And if they are not happy with any of these two modalities, then we offer them option of penile implant. I'm happy to say that we are doing the maximum number of penile implant in North India region, and our success rate is almost 100% with infection rate less than 0.5%. So there are various type of penile implant which are available with us, and we all give all the options to the patient. So the first implant which I am going to show is the semi-rigid implant, which is also known as malleable implant. The benefit of this is that it's just a simple mechanical thing, and it is placed inside the penis, and whenever the patient wants to have sexual activity, he can just take it up and can have a normal sexual intercourse. And once he is done with the orgasm, he can just bend it down and like this, and he can hide this easily. The second implant which we offer are a two-piece implant which have a pump. This pump goes into the scrotum, and these two cylinders are placed inside the corporal space in the penis. So whenever the patient wants to have sexual activity or wants a penis to be erect, you just have to press this pump 4 or 5 times, the fluid inside the pump will be shifted to the penile shaft, or you can say the cylinders, and patient will get an erection. And once the patient is done with the sexual activity, he just have to bend the penis for 10 to 15 seconds, and the penis will come back to its normal shape. There is one more implant, which is a 3-piece implant, which is the next option. You can say slightly expensive, but need a better erection and better profile than the rest of the two. And the 3-piece implant comes with the reservoir, which provide extra length and extra rigidity, and it's more concealable, so the patient get more confidence, a better erection and better rigidity with the 3-piece implant. But anyways, all options are given to the patient, and as per their choice they opt for any one of them. And the satisfaction rate with penile implant range up nearly 90 to 95%, and they can live a good sexual life for next 15 to 20 years. So don't consider erectile dysfunction as the end of the journey kind of thing. The erectile dysfunction is very much treatable, and at our center we are providing you can say a holistic approach kind of thing, and we provide all kind of treatment options. And I can guarantee you that you'll be happy once you'll reach our center with this problem, and we'll take good care of you, and we wish you a happy sexual life in future. Thank you.